I think that people are really looking at a couple of things. Number one, people want to do business with people that they like. So one of the things that we focus on is making sure that when we take on a new project, that it's something that our investors will like. Number two, people do business with people who they trust. Can you indeed trust this fund to get the job done and not lose your capital? And number three, people will do business with people who are persuasive. So AI can help a lot in that with regards to persuasion. But these are psychological factors that should be considered for any new investment banker.
Hi all, welcome to yet another video where I'm connecting with the investment bankers in the North American region and sharing their experience with us. So today we are joined by John Deans, founder of Rio Capital and a second seasoned professional in the capital raising and private market space. John works very closely with emerging fund managers, helping them raise capital and navigate the complexities of launching and scaling their funds. We are excited to hear his insights on fundraising, investor relationships, and trends that are shaping the private market. Welcome to the show, John Deans.
Thank you.
So, thank you. Thanks a lot for taking your time and joining with us today. So to start off, I would like to understand your background and how you stepped into the investment banking world.
Well, I was raising capital for a hedge fund previously, and I met online on LinkedIn a person that was already raising capital for real estate, and I partnered with her and ended up in March of 2009 starting REO Capital LLC as a way to assist the emerging managers in their quest to raise capital for their funds.
Great. So before Rio Capital also, you were in investment banking or you are coming from a different profession?
No, I was primarily just business development with regards to that hedge fund and the institutional side. And then previous to that, it was raising capital on the retail side.
Okay, great. And like in the last almost like 16, 17 years of investment banking, is there any particular deals which are on top of your mind, which is like very close to your heart? Is there any particular deals like that?
Yeah, I think the first deal was close to my heart, which was a real estate development of single family homes and in the California area. And we ended up helping them raise $100 million for that particular development.
Great. First deal is always special.
Right, exactly.
Yes. Great, great, John. So, next question I would like to understand, is there a particular focus for you in 2026? And what are your top areas in focus for the upcoming year or the running year?
Well, I think that my focus right now is going to be still on real estate. Particularly, we're looking at a senior living facility fund with the baby boomers getting older. This is a great time to really start looking at senior living. So that's exciting for us. We're also looking at other real estate funds in different aspects, commercial real estate. So we're going to continue to focus on the core of our business, which has been real estate.
Great. And your entire business is focused only in the US region, or you're having a global presence?
Well, we have a global presence, but I would say the main focus, 80% of our focus is probably US.
Great. And now AI or artificial intelligence is a buzzword right now in the market. So I would like to understand, like, how are you incorporating data in your daily life in investment banking?
Well, one of the things we just worked on was a venture capital fund that was targeting AI as well as robotics. And that was a very interesting raise that a lot of people were, I should say, confused about. It was kind of baffling to have people, not really understanding what a hybrid fund is all about.
Great. And are you using any kind of AI in your daily workflow? Are you using an AI or a data tool for your daily work?
Well, we use AI in terms of marketing to look at, the pitch, because that's extremely important in raising capitals, to have a very good persuasive pitch.
Great. And so I have one more question. The final question would be that with you having a great experience in investment banking, is there a particular advice which you are having for someone who is new in the banking domain?
Well, yeah, I think that it's a little more difficult now than it was in 2009. I think that people are really looking at a couple of things. Number one, people want to do business with people that they like. So one of the things that we focus on is making sure that when we take on a new project, that it's something that our investors will like. Number two, people do business with people who they trust. Can you indeed trust this fund to get the job done and not lose your capital? And number three, people will do business with people who are persuasive. So AI can help a lot in that with regards to persuasion. But these are psychological factors that should be considered for any new investment banker.
Great. Thanks a lot, John, for sharing your valuable time with us and sharing your vast experience with us. It was a short interview, but it was on point, to the point, very crisp and clear. So thanks for taking out your time and joining with us today for this interview.
Thank you for having me.